A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today, our journey got us to Carlingford. Carlingford lies in the shade of Slieve Foy, a mountain that in legend takes its form from the body of a sleeping giant. The other side of the town is protected by a castle that overlooks the Louth Harbour. It was a vital point of defence for the area for centuries. Carlingford Castle was built around 1190, most likely by the Norman Baron Hugh de Lacy, who was then Lord of Meath, shortly after the Norman invasion of Ireland. It was then taken by King John of England. Up to this point, it's still known as King John's Castle. North of the castle you can find the marina. Marina hosts numerous boats and yachts. You can also find a bar, restaurant and some accommodation here if required. South of the castle lies the town centre. Brightly coloured and cheerful streets of Carlingford have everything that a tourist needs. They can take you on a walking tour of the modern town or discover the ancient past. There is something to fit everyone's need. You can go to a restaurant, buy an ice cream, find accommodation, or visit a local pub. Buy yourself a perfect traditional pint of Guinness. Drink it with enjoyment and listen to local men discussing sports. This is where our journey ends today. Please support the channel by subscribing and commenting below.